guys, it's Lil KO Plays here, and this is episode 1 of grinding for a tier 4 power. Let's get right on to the video. Right, let's face an opponent. Temple, Dark Farm, Wizard. What I'm grinding for is the damage boost, which is what I actually want. That's pretty good. And I think I should get like the glue storm next. I'm gonna only play assault mode because I kept losing in arena. I kept on facing better players. And they kept on, saying late game, but we actually don't go late game. I mean, that's fine because I'll get about almost 10,000 medallions again around like next week, next Friday. I don't know, but it's about 5 days, or maybe 4 days before I get those 10,000. Eco boost. Okay. I think I should get another one right around here. Just to be safe. Why just not this? That one cannot hit here, but the lightning can. Does he not know that? Oh, okay. Well, that's one battle done, I guess. Alright, let's go to the next game. Good game. Do you wanna watch an ad? Nah, I'm not gonna watch an ad. I'm gonna get it legit. Look at my medallions. I lost that many games right now. Okay, so what I'm gonna go for? Oh, I can already buy jam pack. What I wanna go for is this, then this. This is probably gonna take me a lot of videos. Probably season 1 is damage boost, season 2 will be like, I don't know, like glue storm. Can buy jam pack. This one is pretty deadly because one time he just set me region black scene. They used this. I went to region zebras, and I didn't know how to defend region zebras or even region rainbows that time, so I basically just lost. I'm gonna go for this. Also tried attempting Professor Evil. I just lost round 18 without even watching a video. All I did was rubber to gold when he rushed me with yellows. I only used rubber to gold when he rushed me. Then I got up a village. I got 2 double shots. Then I got up a village. Then I got 2 semi-auto sniper rifle and still couldn't defend a Moab behind leads. I mean, leads behind Moab. Alright, let's get right on to the next game. I think I'll also make each video 30 minutes of me grinding for like a tier 4 damage boost. Okay. Battle ends. Why do I always get like Dart Farm Wizard or even Dart Farm Ace maps? Mostly get Dart Farm Ace or even Dart Farm Wizards maps recently. Alright, you ready up? Let's see what I can do. Where do I place it? Here? Right here. A piece of farm there. Probably place it there. I really don't know that many hard spots here. Oops, I should have placed it a little closer. That's fine. Dig down 2 lives. Dig down 2 lives again. Okay. He's gonna send me that. I'm just gonna get up at triple dart. He's gonna keep on sending me. I'm gonna be okay. I think if he only has a ninja, I'm gonna send him jam pack yellows round 8. He's gonna put down like I don't know, like what around here. There you go. That defense. Okay, got that. Can blue get to defend the yellows? Test. It can. Okay. Wait, what? Where did that red balloon come from? If he sends me a lead balloon, I'll just lightning that. Put that on strong. Get up a juggernaut. always expect a region rainbow rush, but since it's assault mode, not that many people know the region rainbow rush in assault mode. Pretty sure. I'll just lightning that. Another lightning. I'm okay. Should probably place it like a little right here. Gonna get a BIA. I don't know if it's too late. Alright, so that, get up a BIA. Here we go. Jam-packed region rainbows. Can he defend? Probably. Alright. Just collect that. I'm not okay. I'm okay. Let's put a lot of them on strong. Alright, that's all of them. Good. I have to collect that though. That's fine. Another Moab, another range boost. Probably. Am I good? Yes. Here it comes, the almighty BFB. Easy defend. Easy peasy. There you go. Easy defend. Alright. Jam-packed region rainbows. And that's what he cannot defend. Pretty certain. Yep. Alright. Sorry. Can't play again. I need experience. Okay. On to the next game. Oh, and also, can you guys also comment like any challenges? Maybe like late game only, or probably like one tower only, bonus tower only, like that. Third start farm sub. The release use sub on this map. Start farm wizard again. I think I could place it a little closer, like a little closer right over there. I think that's what I could have done. Just placing down a wizard. Everybody places wizard down as their first tower. There we go. Let's get that. Okay. At least that forced him some defense. Okay, that forced him the lightning. Wait, why am I going for another farm? Need to get this plantation. Thanks. Can lightning that. Just lightning that. Citizen strong. Now I just remember the time when I placed the juggernauts in the middle. And then in like 2 months, I just realized that the juggernaut should be like placed like brr, or even like brr, or even like going up. Get up the juggernaut. I mean the specklebolt. Sit around last. Wizard can defend yellows. Should I have placed it a little closer to the right? Yes. Right there. Okay, I think I'm good. That's still worse. Why am I not getting any more farms? What am I doing? That's a mistake. Oh. I know. I should place it right around here. Last. There we go. Up, up. Okay, let's ready up for Moab. Maybe I'll send us a Moab. Strong, 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 strong. Okay, he's not gonna send us a Moab. I'm expecting a Moab rush like the other guy. Yeah? No? Why did he just sell a farm then place down a farm? What they're doing? Actually, no, what am I doing? Why do I not have a juggernaut? What am I doing? Why do I have not a juggernaut? Why do I not have a juggernaut? What am I doing? What am I doing? Why do I not have a juggernaut yet? I don't know why I don't have a juggernaut. I cannot pop lead balloons. There you go. Oof. What am I doing? What am I doing? Why did I accidentally sell that? Okay. Oh, I just noticed it. Look, kinda looks like a letter M. Look, M. Look from here, then it's like an M. That's cool. It's getting a little hot in here. Should never place it right there because it's bad. If you place it there, it just goes boom. But when you place it here, it can shoot from there. It can shoot from there, but this. Placing here is kind of like placing here. I know what's the difference. Getting a little hot. Let's cash out soon. Let's cash out now. There we go. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2. Let's just lightning. Let's lightning that. There's light. Good. Is he good? He's good. Whew. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's put another one here. 1, 2, 3, there we go. 1, 2, 3, there we go. We'll need 2 of these. We'll need 2 factories. Then let's go all out BIAs. Right, let's do that. Maybe I could just do this. Cash it out. Send him a ZOMG. Then I just win. Right? Am I right? What if I send him jump back that under with rainbows under? Oh wait, I think I need to fan club that. There you go. Alrighty. Okay, I think we can do like 2 more games. I think we can do like 2 more games. Or maybe 3. No, I think 2 or 1. Temple again. Oh, I'm about to run out of energy. That's fine. You know what? Let's try reaching rainbow rushing them. Okay, this guy knows. Before I used to place my phones here and here. Before I used to fit one here, which was pretty crazy. Because normally, you couldn't fit one there. Nowadays, I put them like right around there. And I put my BAs right everywhere. And then my factory is just right about there. I'll let them leak. They're not even that much lives. What's more important? Lives or farms? Lives or farms? I don't know. Farms? No, I think it's lives. Like, what if you have like 9 factories and 1 life. Maybe like I don't know, like 2 BIAs and 5 lives. What will you need, more lives or money? If money, then you can buy some defense. If lives, then you have to literally use the heli ability, which you need money. I don't know, but I think it's lives. There you go, perfect. I'll just take the greens, then the blues. I accidentally turned off my mic for some reason. Okay. Does he know I cannot pop head balloons? If he does, then okay. If he doesn't, then also no okay. I think I can just send him. Do you think I can kill him right now? Jump back blacks. I think he'd be dead to that. Yep. No. Yeah. Oh. Okay. Looks like one more game before 3 minutes. I mean, one more game before 30 minutes. Let's make this game quick. I'll just have to keep on rushing them, I guess. I'll just quick shot, self freeze. Quick shot, self freeze. I don't know. That's what I normally use before. When I was still like at my first Btd Battles video. After that, I got self freeze. Then, yeah. I used quick shot, self freeze. I don't know what to do. Randomize. Oh no. This is a bad one. I can already tell. Well. Okay. I really don't use that many eco strategies. When it goes to attack, I always use farm. He will have time to make it down to a yellow, down to a green, down to a blue, down to a red pop. Unless region rainbows, you'll have a lot of time. Which is good for him. Not that good for me. Okay. Oh, we just passed the 30-minute mark. That's fine. Probably send him region rainbows. What happens if I do that? Wait, regenerate? Yes. It's regenerating. Kinda worked. Oh no. I forgot I cannot pop lead balloons. So do to get. Yes. You know what? Probably all out him. There you go. I'm good. There you go. He died to that first. He's dead, he's dead, he's dead, he's dead. Dead. There you go. That's the last game of today. Let's see how much I earned. Tomorrow will be episode 2. Another ad. Alrighty. So many ads. Oh. Okay. So all I need is about 4 plus 2 is 6. Quick math. Wait, what? No, wait. I got it wrong. Never mind. That'll be 6, 2, 7. So combine the universal plus tower power is 3,174 or 76. 76. So plus 4 will be 80 plus 2 is 100. So it'll be 2,200 plus 24. Which then I will need 800 more to make it 4,000. So that is about 8,020. What? 24. 8,820. I mean 824. Then wait, 824. Oh yeah, 824 to make it 4,000. So I need 1,824 more tower power. Alright. I don't know how long that will take to get me a pop boost. Well, okay. See you guys in the next video.